Market is up again today, marginally 0.08%. Gainers, we have Academy Press, Charms, Dangote Sugar, we have Cornerstone Insurance, Boa Cement. Losers for today, we have NEM Insurance, Royal Exchange, Morrison, we have Sovereign Insurance, Wapik Insurance. Effiong Ekop is live in the studio. Effiong, we have many of the insurance companies in the losers list today. What is playing out?
To the insurance industry, the entire industry is coming under another phase of pressure, like when we had COVID-19. Look at the magnitude and influence of flood.
Yes.
Taking over 33 states in the nation. Taking farms, taking houses, the different kinds of investments. So what do you think is happening? Every other household, every other person, investor is going to look up to insurance industry, bail me out. I do not think that the entire industry has the capacity, to do that. So this is just a preparation for it. Honestly, insurance industry, they are in for a very big...
But that's why they're created, though.
Yes, but you didn't prepare, while doing the business, you didn't prepare for this level of emergencies. Is it not too much? I'm not holding any faults for them, but I just have sympathy.
I get
for them. So that is it. Before now, we've been talking about the insurance, equities being penny stocks, and so after penny, what else do you have? Do you understand? So that is it. Indeed, we are in for very serious economic problem, and unfortunately, it's coming towards the end of the year. So even by the time the flood, is rescinded, sometime maybe by November ending, what will be left of those houses, those farms, those cautious investments? I don't know what we have to do. The disaster, very terrible, very serious.
Indeed. Let's also look at Dangote Sugar here. We see Academy Press doing well on the positive. Boa Cement is also...
Boa Cement is the one that is lifting the market in the positive territory. Wow. Yes, yesterday market struggled and made a positive mark of 0.03%. So today, the upgrade to 0.8, indeed, they even added more to make 0.11%. So it's on the back of gains by Boa Cement. Boa Cement, like ATL, that we had losses 3 days ago, in the week. Boa Cement is also a very heavily rotated market player. And where it goes, either left or right, it's always able to draw some other companies along. So today now, you can see it's been able to take Dangote Cement, take Academy Press, Cornerstone, and the others. But if you talk about the volume is still very, very low. We are trading just about 95 million units of shares. And then the value is not up to 2 billion. So all of this, market is really reacting and mirroring what is happening in the larger society. Nobody seems to be comfortable with the kind of news and reports that we are receiving. But as it is, the market just have to, take it the way it is. So you don't have to have great expectation of the market. It will just work within the limits of anything.
News we are receiving is not just home and abroad. Even the United Kingdom, we know what is happening. Inflation is 10.1%.
Exactly.
So it's a global issue.
Global thing.
I like us to always harp on this sometimes because that's the truth.
The only thing is that such other
economies are more prepared than...
Yes, they will have some kind of things to bring up and help
to cushion the effect of all of these negatives, right?
Understand? So our own is that as it happens, you are left on your own. You either survive or you don't survive. You have a relative that can come directly to help you or not. But it is
some
not
things that have been done, but maybe they are not just trickling down. That is what I think. Because
we should supervise the trickling down.
Because the central bank will come up today and tell you 5 million farmers have been empowered.
Oh,
so
boy.
far, the farmers will tell you, yes, some of us got these monies, some didn't get these monies. I think monitoring and evaluation is part of all our initiatives.
You
Should be
cannot
a major part of it.
If a policy comes on the table and it is not being supervised, I mean, was there any need for it to have been initiated in the first place? So
Well, it's a big
supervision
one.
is the bigger
It's a big
side
one.
of any policy
It's a big one.
implementation.
Let's leave it for the fiscal people, those on the fiscal side and those on the monetary
So
side.
we leave for them and go for our
I
weekend.
think they understand it better.
So
we'll go for our weekend,
weekend.
and come back on Monday and see what the figures are looking like again. Thank you so much, my colleague there,
Thank you,
Effiong Ekop. Do enjoy your weekend.
The same to you.
All right, then. Well, we're still